Did you know that lobsters are some of the most fascinating creatures in our oceans? Today I'm going to share some mind-blowing facts about these mysterious crustaceans that'll make you see them in a whole new light. First off, let's talk about something incredible. Lobsters can potentially live forever. Yeah, you heard that right. Unlike most animals, lobsters don't age the way we do. They continue to grow and regenerate cells throughout their entire lives. The only reason they eventually die is usually due to external factors or running out of energy to molt. Speaking of molting, that's another wild thing about lobsters. As they grow, they have to shed their entire shell, including their stomach lining. During this vulnerable period, they even eat their old shell to recycle the calcium. Talk about resourceful. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Lobsters taste with their legs. They have special chemosensory hairs on their legs and feet that help them identify what's edible. Imagine tasting your dinner by walking on it. And get this, lobsters communicate through their bladders. They have special glands near their heads that release pee, which they use to send chemical signals to other lobsters. It's like their version of social media, just a bit more. Well, direct. Want to hear something else crazy? Lobsters are basically underwater superheroes. They can regrow lost limbs and even damage nerves. And their blood is blue. That's because it contains copper instead of iron like our blood. Oh, and remember those massive lobster claws you see in restaurants? The force they can generate is incredible, up to 100 pounds per square inch. That's strong enough to break a person's finger. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Lobsters weren't always considered a luxury food. In colonial America, they were so abundant that they were considered poor man's food and were even used as fertilizer. Prison inmates complained about being fed too much lobster. Times sure have changed, haven't they? These incredible creatures have been around since before the dinosaurs, surviving multiple mass extinctions. They're like the ultimate survivors of the ocean, adapting and thriving for hundreds of millions of years. So next time you see a lobster, remember, you're looking at an immortal, blue-blooded, pea-communicating superhero of the sea. Pretty amazing for something we usually just think of as dinner, right?